Jesus wants your heart. Be genuine. Seek the only true God. Call out to Him. Say, Lord God, if you're out there, I want to know who you are. I can assure you no one will come except Jesus. The only one that is going to show up is Jesus Christ of Nazareth, because He is the only God revealed in the flesh. Start your relationship with Him. He wants you. He is all love. He is all mercy. He is all sacrifice. He is all humility. Come to Him. Say, Lord, teach me, show me, tell me, enlighten me. I want to know you. The only one that can fill that void that is in you is God, no one else. Acknowledge His divine love that wants and awaits to engulf you with it and put you in the core of His heart. Trust in the Lord.